Hello, in this video you will find out how to change oil and filter on Husqvarna TC138 with some upgrades. Oil change should be performed every 50 hours of operation or at the end of the season, so the lawnmower goes into the winter storage with fresh oil. Remove the engine hood and move this cable out of the way. I'm using the original oil drain extension which fits near the drain plug like this. However, there is no fixed mounting point. It must be held by hand all the time. Let's go through the process step by step. Start by warming up the engine for a few minutes. This ensures the oil flow more easily, but be careful not to overheat it. Warm, not hot. To open the drain plug, I use an 11 mm spanner since I don't have the correct square socket. This part is messy. As soon as you open the drain plug, oil rushes out and you have to quickly insert oil drain extension. Even then it leaks everywhere, and holding it for several minutes while oil slowly drains is frustrating. This design simply doesn't work well for me. Oil is everywhere. Last year I dealt with this mess. This year I'm trying to fix it. I bought a drain valve from Aliexpress. To install it with oil still inside the engine, I had to tilt them over sideways. For valve install, I'm using 24 mm spanner, but getting it in is difficult as threads are not great quality. I lowered the lawnmower and waited to see if it would leak, and here is the leak. I didn't use a thread sealant. This time I'm using Teflon tape, and same thing, oil still leaks. This plug also is not working for me. I found some old compressor air fitting parts. I have 3/8 to half-inch reducer and a quick connector air coupler with a half-inch thread. These components are not rated for oil or high temperature. I installed them without Teflon tape just to test. Surprisingly, this setup works well, no leaks. After the oil change, I did lawn mowing for 3 hours. The fitting reached 55 degrees Celsius, and similar fittings are rated for up to 80 degrees, link in description. Oil drains cleanly when I plug in quick connect fitting. I use a hose to direct the flow, or just drain straight in the pan. The only drawback is that oil drains a bit slower. Tilting them over slightly helps remove more oil. A great option is to gather components like this and install them. This would ensure no leaks in the long term. Oil filter should be replaced every 100 hours. The original filter is very small and my filter range is too large. I recommend two solutions if you are stuck. First, wrap around old belt around the filter and turn it counterclockwise. The other option, use an old belt with a filter removal tool. Wrap the belt around the filter and apply tension to it while turning with the tool. Before installing the new filter, lubricate the rubber O-ring with a fresh oil. Screw it in by a hand until gasket touches the base, then give it another half a turn to tighten. I use SAE 30 oil, which is suitable for a warm season mowing. If operating in winter, use 5W30 instead. However, this will increase oil consumption. I fill up with around 800 milliliters. After filling, run the engine briefly about 20 seconds to fill the oil filter and hoses, and then check the oil level. The oil dipstick is hard to read accurately, so check it several times. I ended up using about 1 liter in total before reaching the correct level. This year's oil change was much cleaner thanks to the custom quick drain valve I made. I will continue testing it over time and post updates if any leaks develop. So far it looks promising. Stay tuned for more upgrades and maintenance tips.